I should probably skip the intro. Just for so I don't get sued by EA. So I can very much see that being something they would do. So I'll play.
Enemy in perimeter. Range due. They're everywhere.
Greetings, Comrade General. I am Lin Zhang, your senior intelligence officer. Today, as we claim our rightful place among the world's leading nations, your troops will provide security for the glorious display of our military strength. The People's Army will not tire in our pursuit of the terrorist enemy.
Yes, your mental. This is good music. Yep. In a few minutes, we're gonna find out why this game is ending.
Proceed with attack.
On the cause!
Group 3, Germans are well wounded. There are too many of us. We must retreat. Their attack is faltering. Victory is ours. Victory in death.
The GLA hope to deter us with their cowardly attack. We will now strike back and destroy the GLA. Make them pay, General.
Everything ready here.
Oh yeah, we will definitely make them pay.
Moving volatiles.
For those of you who don't know, my name is Nick.
All units, fire.
We're doing our Command and Conquer
Unit
playthrough. I had done like 3 or 4 videos of
Let's pick up
this
some goods.
before my computer decided to stop working for a bit. So yeah.
Storage tanks secured.
I don't think we really need any more units, but
Keep it steady. Let us get closer. Maintain a smooth ride. Maintain a
There's,
smooth ride. Moving
some-
volatiles.
We stand together!
Battlemaster
we are moving.
reinforcements. Greatly appreciated.
Pressure level
tanks
set.
survive, General.
Set them
Our
ablazing.
Battlemaster tanks are vastly superior to anything the GLA can fight against. Unit lost. Like many of our units, they are most effective in large groups.
Yep.
Enemy destroyed.
Moving volatiles.
All units, advance.
That's kind of
GLA detected in
China's
force
whole
beyond the breach.
deal in this game is they get like a horde bonus. So if they have multiple units of the same type from the same area, they fight better. More or less.
Storage tanks secured.
I expect this first video to be very, very short. You know, we can probably do all 3 of the
General, keep your forces back. A fire strike is on the way. Tiger Wing, we have pulled back from the area. You are now clear to commence your attack.
Tiger Wing inbound. Target required. Tiger Wing attack. Tiger leader reporting. Target
Well done,
eliminated.
Tiger Wing. Second clear.
We stand together!
Alright, now
One
that
final
they've shown
task
off
remains,
the
General. Destroy the weapon
special
stockpile
napalm
to deny the GLA
Temperature
control of our nuclear
Let
arsenal.
us get closer.
Alright, let us
Right, we are
tackle
moving.
over there.
China's tank division. stand together.
Where is the battle?
We are pretty busy
China's
here.
tank division. Yes.
And then we'll attack you
Immediately.
over there. After these guys are trained,
China's tank division.
there's like a secret passage over here. It leads to our main objective.
Dragon tank.
China's tank division.
Keep it steady. Let us get closer.
We stand.
Maintain a smooth ride. Keep it steady.
We stand together.
We have reached the weapons storage facility, General. Destroy it to prevent any further GLA attacks on our people.
Defenders of peace. Right away. We are the Red Guard. Yes, sir.
Everything ready here. Ignition.
Yeah, we basically bypassed their whole army.
Armor battalion, advance!
We are victorious.
China's tank division. We stand together.
Honestly, that probably took like 10 minutes, so we're gonna literally do the first 3 missions in the China campaign.
General, an active GLA cell has been unmasked in Hong Kong. We suspect the terrorists have targeted buildings in the commercial center. The cell must be crushed and its members eradicated. Strike hard, General, and without mercy.
Even like events in the past few years is probably not the best place to be fighting. Why this game is banned in China, Part 2.
We're lucky to be alive. They will regret this.
General, the terrorists have taken over the convention center. You are going to have to destroy it and the attached parking structures to stop the terrorist threat.
The bridge is gone.
China has been
General, that's all that's left of the assault force. We need to build a command center and a radar
We're
dish.
building our base on
Nice
the field.
location.
Serving China's needs. Move order confirmed.
We have big plans. Building is complete. China will grow larger.
Those terrorists are ruining my business. If you put your forces aboard, I will take you out to the convention center. You can sneak in and catch them by surprise. Just hit
Building
the
is
transport
complete.
button when you're ready.
We will live in prosperity. That's a good choice. Construction built to spec. Let's build. China will grow larger. Let's pick up some
Battlemaster tank
goods.
reporting.
Building is complete.
Upgrade
Construction
complete.
built to spec. We have big plans.
Let's pick up some goods.
Let's
Pick up
build.
some goods.
We're taking the ferry.
We stand together. Let's pick up some goods. We stand together. Let's pick up some goods. We'll tear through their armor. We stand together. We stand together.
There's the train coming.
Get off the track. We are ready for battle.
We stand together.
Defenders of peace. Right away.
I'm carrying the big gun. Together.
Fighting for the Red Army. We will defend this territory.
Tear through their armor.
We will live in prosperity. I built for China. China will grow larger.
Upgrade complete.
We stand together.
Construction is complete.
That's
We
one
will
big
live in
building.
prosperity.
We stand
Build
together.
orders
Battlemaster
complete,
tank
sir.
reporting.
We'll tear through their armor. We stand together.
We have big plans. It will look real nice when it's done.
We stand together. We'll tear through their armor.
Building is complete.
Unit lost.
The enemy! Attack that one! We stand together!
Fighting for the Red Army.
I built for China.
We stand together!
Where is the battle?
Ready for orders. Defenders of peace.
We stand together!
Yes, sir.
We have big plans. Nice location.
Fighting for the
Unit
Red
lost.
Army.
We stand together!
General,
The
toxin
GLA
base
have
in sight.
sent in their toxin tractors. They fire a toxic
We
green
stand
ooze.
together.
Keep your infantry away from them and use your tanks to deal with this new threat.
Build orders complete, sir.
We'll tear through their armor.
We are the Red Guard. China is under attack.
Unit lost.
Understood. Standing attention. For the Republic! The People's Army. China
Unit
can use
lost.
this. Enemy tanks out there. Defenders of peace. Moving now, sir. Attack!
Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
Ready for orders. General, our base is under attack.
Unit lost.
China can now use this building.
I'm carrying
We
the
are
big
the Red
gun.
Guard.
Let's
expanding China's border. Bolted defenders down and ready. Of peace. Bolted down and ready. Bolted down and ready. The building is ours. Bolted down and ready. Bolted down and ready.
No more supplies here.
This building is ours. Bolted down and ready.
Big targets. Moving rocket
Bolted down and
Unit
ready.
lost.
Bolted down and ready.
Shit.
They're attacking our base. Bolted down and ready. We fear nothing. We have captured the building, sir.
Unit lost.
China's rocket soldier.
Bolted down and ready. Bolted down and ready. Bolted down and ready.
Unit lost.
Bolted down and ready. The people's army down and ready. We'll break you down.
Congratulations, General. You have been
Bolted down and
promoted.
ready.
Unit lost.
We take what we need. Down and ready. Bolted down and ready. Right. Let's do some body work. Bolted down and ready. Right. Glory.
Unit lost.
What's in it for me? What do you want? We'll take him apart. We take what we need.
Carrying the big gun. China's tank division. We'll tear through their armor.
China is under attack!
We stand together. Enemy tanks out there. Dead in their tracks.
We stand together!
We will live in prosperity. We'll tear through their armor. That's a good choice. Serving China's needs.
Unit lost.
We are the Red Guard.
China's tank division.
We stand together!
China's rocket soldier. Legislation is complete. China will right here.
Our base is being attacked!
Unit lost.
Yes! We stand together! Immediately!
I like the big targets. We'll tear through their armor.
Oh.
The terrorist threat is
We
finished.
stand together.
Good work, General.
I mean, there's a lot of them
lost.
still
They're
alive.
attacking our base!
General, we have a most critical situation. Another terror cell has infested the area surrounding the Three Gorges Dam. Enemy reinforcements now threaten our own valiant troops, including our agent, codenamed Black Lotus. Use any means necessary to halt this GLA advance and annihilate their soldiers.
We've lost the reactor!
GLA forces have reached the base.
They will pay for this!
All forces, regroup at the command center.
Lost. All forces retreat to the dam. I have a plan.
soldier.
I can disarm those. That's a good choice.
Need a transfer. Is it clear?
Yeah, this is why game is banned in China first.
It was a terrible fight. That's
GLA forces spotted across the river.
With the dam broken, the water level is dropping. If the water drops enough, they'll be able to cross.
We need to build up more forces before the GLA cross the river.
Let's build.
I like the big targets. On the hunt. Tank hunter here. Ready for orders. That building looks safe.
Construction built to spec. We have big plans. China will grow larger.
I'm listening. Their buildings can be our own.
China's rocket soldier.
Build orders complete.
Let's fight the tanks.
Let's build.
Their building is
A
ours.
very good plan, General.
I'll get through. Let's take their buildings from them.
Building is
Tank hunter
complete.
here. Let's fight the tanks.
Their building is ours.
Track down the enemy. Enemy tanks out there. Throw everything at them.
I built for China. Nice location.
I'm listening. That's right. Quickly.
I like the big targets. Dead in their tracks.
Let's build.
On the hunt.
Move order confirmed. We have plenty of seats.
Construction built
Upgrade
to spec.
complete.
China has been generous. Ah, yes. We will live in prosperity. That's a good choice.
We stand together.
Troop crawler signing in. Anywhere else? That's an easy one.
We stand
China
together.
has construction is complete. Looks promising.
We'll tear through their armor.
We will live in prosperity. China will grow larger.
Fighting for the Red Army.
Build orders complete, sir.
Can't hide
We
from me.
stand together.
Everyone okay back there? Anywhere else?
We'll tear through
We
their
have
armor.
big plans. A very good plan, General. Let's
Sir,
build.
the GLA will be able to cross the river soon. Let's
That's a
prepare
good
a
start.
warm
Ah,
welcome.
yes. I built for China. Is complete. It will look real nice when it's done.
We'll tear through their armor.
Building is complete.
Give me a job.
We stand together.
We have big plans. That's a good choice.
Let's pick up some goods. We stand together.
China has been
Let's pick up
generous.
some goods.
It will look real nice when
Tear
it's
through their
done.
armor.
We will live in prosperity.
We stand together.
Construction built to spec. Let's
The
build.
water level has dropped. The GLA are crossing the river.
It will look real nice when it's done.
Tear through their China.
Unit lost.
Tank hunter here.
Fighting for the Red Army.
prosperity. A very good plan,
Tear
General.
through their armor.
China's armored transport. That's an easy one.
We stand together.
Right here. Moving to new area.
China has been generous is complete.
We stand together.
It will look real nice when it's done.
We'll tear through their armor.
Let's mine the entire base.
Let's build.
Upgrade
Construction
complete.
built to spec. Nice location. China has been generous. That's a good choice. Construction is complete. Orders complete, sir.
Fighting for the Red Army. Move order confirmed.
Isn't that the ancient Qinglong dojo?
Okay, let's set those lines off.
Command, we have crossed the river.
We stand together. We'll tear through their armor.
Right here.
Attack!
Unit lost.
We'll tear through their armor.
Battlemaster tank reporting. Yes, General. Destroy China's enemies.
General, the GLA supply pile is sitting in the middle of the town. If we move long off from their supplies,
China needs
they will
GLA
be
have
unable
killed
to
everyone.
continue the fight.
They will escape.
Stand together.
We are invincible.
Unit lost.
They will escape. Crush the enemy. Destroy China's enemies. Attack!
I didn't sign up for that.
Unit
Stand
lost.
together. We'll tear through their armor. We stand together.
Unit lost.
We stand together.
China's tank division.
We'll tear through their armor. We stand together.
Tank division.
China is under attack. We stand together. I have been through their armor.
We are the Red Guard. Understood.
Together. We'll tear through their armor. China's tank division.
We have big plans. Of course.
We stand together.
I have many bullets to spare.
We stand together. We'll tear through their armor.
Defenders of peace.
China's tank division.
We fight from high place.
We stand together.
Hold up in that building.
Track down the enemy. China's tank division. We stand together.
I built for China.
We'll tear through their armor.
It will look real nice when it's done.
I have many bullets to spare.
Unit lost.
Construction is complete.
China's tank division. We stand together. China's rocket soldier. Bombing rocket launcher.
We will live in prosperity. China will
Unit
live
lost.
Tank division. We'll tear through their armor. We stand together.
I have many bullets to spare.
We stand together.
Standing
Building
attention.
is complete.
Unit
We
lost.
fight from high place.
Let's build. A very good plan, General.
China's tank division. We stand together. We'll tear through their armor.
I have
Building
many
is
bullets to
complete.
spare. Ready
Unit
for order.
lost.
We stand together.
We will live in prosperity.
China's tank division.
That's a good choice.
We'll tear through their armor. China's tank division. We stand together.
Hand just falling.
I have many bullets.
We stand together.
It's all static.
Orders complete, sir.
We'll tear through their armor. China's tank division. We stand together. We stand together. China's tank division. We'll tear through their armor.
We are the Red Guard.
Unit
Many
lost.
bullets to spare.
Built for China.
Together.
It will look real nice when it's done.
Standing attention. Right away.
Unit lost.
We stand together. Where is the battle? We will defend this territory. We stand together. We'll tear through their armor.
Construction built to spec.
Change of upgrade is complete.
We will live in prosperity. That's a good choice.
We stand together. We stand together.
Defenders of peace. Understood.
We stand together. Attack!
lost.
Cut off their supply! To battle! We'll tear through their armor. Enemies of the state! We stand together! Understood. Immediately. Moving now, sir. We will station there. We fight from high place. Hold up in that building.
Unit lost.
That building looks safe. We'll tear through their armor. Back down the enemy. Stand together. Yes. We stand
Unit
together.
lost.
We stand together. We stand together. We'll tear through their armor.
Unit lost.
Right here. We stand together. We stand yes, General. Together. We'll tear through their armor.
Let's build.
Unit lost.
Nice location.
We stand together. We stand together. Take it into high gear. We'll tear through their armor.
China has been generous. That's a good choice.
Unit lost.
We stand together. We stand together. Approaching GNA base. Tactical fighter reporting. We stand together.
Here's their base. Finish them off.
We'll tear through their armor.
Unit lost.
Tactical fighter reporting. We stand together.
Almost done.
Fighting for the Red Army. Moving to new area.
Unit lost.
We stand
We
together.
have big plans.
We stand together. We'll tear through their armor.
MiG in flight. MiG en route.
Unit lost.
Setting new course.
Right here. Yes, General. The People's Army. Yes, understood. We stand together.
Unit lost.
Orders. Moving now, sir. Tear through their armor. Expanding China's border. The People's Army attention. We will claim it for China. We'll tear through their
Upgrade complete.
Battlemaster Tech reporting.
Unit lost.
We are invincible. Ready for order. The People's Army. Raise the red flag.
Serving China's needs. Where is the battle?
Right here. They will escape. The building is ours. Our base is being attacked.
We are victorious.
I think that is it for